Bitcoin has survived wars, bans, crashes, and scandals, but this week, it faced one of its most dramatic moments yet. In what US officials are calling the largest asset forfeiture in history, over 127,000 Bitcoin, worth nearly $15 billion, were seized in a global operation targeting cyberscam rings based in Cambodia. 6 individuals have been sanctioned by the US and UK governments, accused of laundering billions through digital assets. The move highlights both Bitcoin's power and the world's growing determination to control it. Meanwhile, one of Bitcoin's earliest evangelists, Roger Ver, known to many as Bitcoin Jesus, reached a deal with the US Department of Justice, agreeing to pay nearly $50 million to settle tax-related charges. A stark reminder: even Bitcoin's most faithful are not beyond the reach of the law. The markets reacted swiftly. Bitcoin fell as much as 3%, dipping to around $111,000, as broader global tensions, including renewed US-China trade friction, rattled investors. At its lowest over the weekend, Bitcoin briefly touched $106,000, following what analysts call the largest crypto liquidation event in history. Nearly $19 billion wiped out in hours. Yet, despite the turbulence, Bitcoin quickly rebounded, hovering near $114,000, a sign that the bull cycle may be bruised, but far from broken. In Canada, innovation takes center stage. Mining firm Canaan has launched a pilot project in Alberta, turning stranded natural gas into clean, usable energy to mine Bitcoin. A glimpse of what many call green mining, using waste energy to power the future of money. Analysts warn the current bull cycle may be entering its late phase, marked by profit-taking and reduced inflows. But on-chain data reveals something deeper. Smaller investors, the retail believers, are accumulating again. It's a sign that, even after all the volatility, faith in Bitcoin's future still burns bright. Seizures, lawsuits, market swings, Bitcoin has faced them all. And each time, it's come back stronger. Because for millions around the world, Bitcoin isn't just a price chart. It's a protest against a broken system and a hope for financial freedom. Bitcoin, shaken but unbroken. October 14, 2025.